Imagine a truck that is built to work hard every single day, handle demanding loads, and still deliver the dependability Toyota is famous for. Meet the 2026 Toyota Dyna, a practical commercial truck designed for businesses and drivers who need serious capability without unnecessary complications. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at what makes the new Dyna such an interesting choice. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Dyna keeps its unmistakable commercial truck character, but with a more modern and purposeful appearance. The front end looks tough and functional with a bold grille, updated lighting, and a high driving position that gives the truck a commanding presence. Its cab-forward design helps maximize cargo space, while keeping the overall dimensions practical for city streets and tight loading areas. Depending on the configuration, buyers can choose different body lengths, cargo setups, and wheelbase options to match their specific business needs. Step inside the cabin, and the Dyna focuses on functionality rather than unnecessary luxury. The dashboard is designed with the driver in mind, putting important controls within easy reach. A modern infotainment system, useful storage areas, comfortable seating, and improved visibility help make long working days more manageable. Depending on the trim and market, drivers may also get smartphone connectivity, advanced safety technology, upgraded displays, and additional convenience features. The goal is simply make a hard-working truck easier and more comfortable to operate every day. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Dyna is all about dependable working capability. Powertrain choices can vary by market and configuration, but the Dyna lineup is known for offering efficient engines designed for commercial use. Its strong low-speed performance makes it suitable for carrying cargo, making deliveries, and navigating busy urban environments. The chassis and suspension are engineered with durability in mind, while the truck's compact dimensions can make maneuvering easier than with larger heavy-duty vehicles. For business owners, that combination of capability and practicality can be extremely important. Toyota also puts attention on safety, with available driver assistance technologies designed to help reduce the stress of everyday driving. Features can include collision avoidance technology, lane-related assistance, parking support, and other systems depending on the market and configuration. Now let's talk about price. The final cost of the 2026 Toyota Dyna can vary significantly depending on the engine body configuration, payload rating, equipment, and country. Instead of being positioned as a flashy lifestyle truck, the Dyna is designed as a business tool, something that can potentially earn its keep day after day. And that may be the biggest reason to consider it. The 2026 Toyota Dyna combines Toyota's reputation for durability with a practical commercial design, modern cabin technology, useful safety features, and multiple configurations. So, would you choose the new Toyota Dyna for your business? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more new truck and car reviews.